RINL has been having severe problems since September. So I am, what I can say is the time I have spent on RINL in the ministry, I have not spent on anything else. In fact, sometimes I jokingly tell Ajit that I seem to be your joint MD, joint CMD, because I am spending so much time on RINL. But let me give you a few pointers before we come to the discussion. RINL is in a very bad shape. Let us take it as a fact. Financially, RINL is in a bad shape. What is the total liability of RINL as of today? Anybody? 35,000 crores. Just imagine the number. एक बार सोचिए हमारे ऊपर 35,000 रुपीस का लोन होता है तो वी थिंक कि यार इतना लोन है यार 3.5 ये जाएगा 35 लाख. You have 35,000 crores of liabilities which you have to pay. Out of that, roughly 18,000 are to banks and roughly half are to the other creditors. All of this money will have to be paid. You cannot remain without paying. Unless you are, मतलब जैसे होता है ना कुछ लोग पैसा लेके लंदन भाग जाते हैं, you can't do that. You have to pay this money. So that is point number one. Point number two, RINL was running, when I see a presentation, I have been seeing various presentations of RINL, that till 2012-13 RINL was running okay, they were doing profits, 12,000 crores of cumulative profits. Then they decided to expand. Steel cycles went down, all of that is history now, but basically RINL got into trouble. In September, when we started interacting with RINL, the situation was that the अभी जैसे दिखाया था 2 blast furnaces were closed, 3rd blast furnace was running at the minimum pushings. And the general thinking was that अगर ये भी बंद हो गई then everything will close. The matter was discussed at the highest levels in the ministry, in the government, with RINL, everybody, finance ministry, and it was decided that we should try to keep it as a going concern. We should try to support it. And from September till December, RINL has done well. So I should congratulate each one of you for doing that. From 5,000-6,000 to 14,000 roughly tons per day. But जैसा अजीत ने कहा, अभी तो challenges चालू हुए हैं, challenges खत्म नहीं हुए हैं. So this is the second pointer, that you have overcome a very severe crisis and you have shown that you can put your things together and you can overcome a severe crisis, but you are not really above that. You have 35,000 crores of liability are still there. Abhi in the presentation, who made the presentation? What's your name?